Welcome to the Host with Confidence podcast. I'm Becky Guzak, here to empower the hesitant host to entertain with confidence and ease. I'll be sharing stories, strategies, and inspiration on how to take out the stress and boost up the joy of welcoming guests into your home. Okay, let's get started. Welcome. The Paris Olympics are in full swing, and hosting an Olympics watch party is a fantastic way to bring people together and celebrate the spirit of the Games. The Olympic rings are rich in history and meaning that embody a sense of community and unity. Pierre de Coubertin, the founder of the modern Olympic Games, designed the 5 interlocking rings in 1913 to represent the union of the 5 inhabited continents and the gathering of athletes from around the world. The rings are equal in size, symbolizing that all continents are equal at the Games. The 6 official Olympic colors, blue, yellow, black, green, red, and white, featured in the background, were chosen because at the time, every participating nation's flag could be reproduced using these colors, representing international inclusivity and diversity. By organizing a watch party, we not only enjoy watching the best athletes in the world compete together, but also embrace the spirit of the Olympics, friendship, respect, and excellence. So how do we do this in an easy and stress-free way? First, start with the when. Check out the schedule and pick out the day, time, and events you want to gather around. I'll include a link on the show notes to the Olympic schedule and results website. It's a pretty swift guide and has links to stories, medal counts, and replays. When thinking about what events you might want to watch together, there are ways to bring people in even if they aren't fans of a particular sport. For example, a listener recently shared that she and her husband have hosted numerous fun boxing watch parties. Her husband, a huge boxing fan, preferred staying home on Saturdays to watch the matches. She, on the other hand, was not a fan of boxing and wanted to be social on Saturdays. To compromise, they decided to host boxing watch parties. They invited friends over, provided food, beverages, and games to get everyone involved. They would draw competitors' names from a bowl, then bet on and root for the fighters they picked. Even her girlfriends, who had zero interest in boxing before, had a blast playing, cheering, feeling competitive, and having some skin in the game. This same idea could add a lot of fun and make the experience more engaging and inclusive at an Olympics watch party. Guests could draw names of athletes or countries in the events you'll be watching, and friendly bets can make things more exciting. If you have the space outside, you could set up a simple mini Olympics game such as table tennis, a backyard relay race, beanbag toss, mini soccer, water balloon toss, pool noodle javelin throw, egg and a spoon race, a frisbee throw, or just a cornhole game. Olympics bingo or trivia could be another fun, engaging option. There are great resources online, many already done for you. All you need to do is print. These are all things you can do yourself, or recruit a crafty guest to share their creativity and bring a game. Same goes for decorations. If you're feeling crafty and creative, there are numerous festive decoration opportunities. You could incorporate the Olympic colors. You could create your own Olympic rings to hang, or purchase or make flags from different countries to display around your party area. If craftiness is not your jam, you can recruit a creative guest or family member to help with decorations. Or skip decorations altogether, as people will be there to connect and will hold on to the overall feeling they experience from your party, not the details of it. Now, my favorite part, food and beverages. Depending on the time of day you're hosting and your style, it could be as simple as snacks, appetizers, desserts, or a full-on meal. Olympic-themed dishes can be as simple or sophisticated as you like. For example, if you go Parisian, it could be as easy as purchasing French pastries, fruit or baguettes, and French cheeses. Or as sophisticated as making dishes such as quiche and salad or ratatouille. I'll link a New York Times article by Dory Greenspan titled, "How to Eat Like You're in Paris for the Olympics." She suggests keeping it simple and potluck style, just like they do in France. Food could be themed international cuisine, and if you want to go super casual, ordering pizza and salad fits that bill. For beverages, offer a selection of international drinks or create a signature cocktail or mocktail. Options are endless with international sparkling waters, beers, wines, including Team USA varieties. Providing a comfortable viewing space is important. Make sure there's plenty of seating and get creative if your space is limited. Moving furniture takes just a few minutes, and camping chairs, pillows, and blankets on the floor can work great. And just as in the last Spontaneous Gatherings episode, 4 tips to stress-free entertaining are: keep it simple, be flexible, involve your guests as they are happy to contribute and help, and have fun. By incorporating these ideas, you can create a lively and engaging Olympics watch party that brings everyone together, whether they're sports fans or just there for the social fun. I hope this has inspired you to take the time to welcome people into your home soon with joy and ease. I look forward to the next episode where we'll explore connecting over local outdoor activities. And finally, I love hearing from you. If you have any topic suggestions, questions, or stories, please go to our website at hostwithconfidencepodcast.com. Thank you for tuning into this episode of the Host with Confidence podcast. I hope you found inspiration and valuable insights to help you along your hosting journey. Please remember that the key to hosting with confidence is all about embracing your unique style, having a plan, and enjoying the process alongside your guests. If you like this episode, please subscribe, rate, and review on your favorite platform. Your feedback and support are greatly appreciated and helps us build a stronger community.
Cheers.